Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you how to manage your finance. Your quick guide to finance success. Finance can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Here are 3 essential tips to get you on the right track. First of all is budgeting. First, create a budget. Knowing where your money goes is key. Last, your income and expenses. The simple step can help you save more and spend wisely. Second, set your financial goals. Set clear financial goals, whether it's buying a home, saving for education, or retiring comfortably. Having goals keep you motivated and focused. The third and the last step is invest wisely. Consider investment, make your money work for you. Start with a diversified portfolio and consult a financial advisor for guidance. In just 1 minute, you have taken the first step towards mastering your finance. Remember, it's never too late to start, and your financial future is in your hand. Stay tuned.